Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Suaida binti Sulaiman and I will present about sensory evaluation of food. Sensory evaluation is a scientific discipline that analyzes and measures human responses to the composition of food and drink, such as appearance, touch, odor, texture, temperature, and taste. I choose cafe latte as my sample for a food sensory test. A cafe latte is a milk coffee that boasts a silky layer of foam as a real highlight to the drink. A true latte will be made up of espresso, lots of steamed milk, and a final thin layer of frothed milk on top. These elements combined result in a perfectly balanced milky coffee that possesses an aesthetically pleasing look and an irresistible texture. The benefits of drinking coffee is that coffee can help people feel less tired and increase energy levels because of caffeine. The caffeine is absorbed into our bloodstream, travels to our brain, and blocks the inhibitory neurotransmitter adenosine. This improves energy levels, mood, and various aspects of brain function. Other than that, a cup of latte in moderation helps in preventing cardiovascular disorders and aids in burning fat. A typical tray setup for panelists include a napkin, utensils if required, a cup of water for cleansing the palate, food samples of equal volume in individual serving containers, and most importantly, the sensory analysis questionnaire along with a pen. The serving containers should be labeled with random 3-digit code. This is to keep the samples anonymous and prevent bias when panelists evaluate the samples. It is also important to ensure that all samples are the same temperature, or it may affect the sensory results from the panelists. To serve the panelists, the server will put the trays in front of the panelists.
For me, I think I like this coffee because the texture is very good and not very sweet.
Okay, so after taste all of these three products of cafe latte, I choose this 799 sample because it complete with sweetness, bitterness, and creamy. Okay, so all that taste have in this one sample.
Based on the tests that have been conducted, both panels have chosen sample 799 as the best cafe latte compared to the other samples because sample 799 has the perfect characteristic for cafe latte, such as good aroma, good texture, and delicious taste. People will evaluate a particular food primarily based on how it looks, smells, tastes, sound, and feels. In conclusion, sensory evaluation is a scientific testing method for accurate measurement of human responses. Sensory evaluation is a vital part of food development because it is the essential means of determining how consumers will react to a food.